What's up, guys? How you guys doing? David G here with you again, and in this video we're going to be talking about step-by-step guide on how affiliate marketing works. So if you guys are new to this channel, welcome. Please subscribe and like. Drop a comment down on the bottom. That way I could read them, understand them, see what you guys like, what you guys don't like, and we'll go on from there. So if you guys do stick with me to the end of this video, I will be recommending my #1 recommendation on how to start affiliate marketing, how to start your own online business. So reason why is when I first started, I was pretty much overwhelmed. It was hectic for me. I was listening to pretty much everybody that was out there. I was trying to watch free YouTube videos over here on this side. I was trying to listen to my friends over here on this side, trying to buy some courses over there. It was just too crazy. And honestly, it doesn't have to be. It's very simple on how to start. And yeah, so just stick with me to the end and I'll let you guys know. So let's get into it. So how step-by-step guide on affiliate marketing, how it actually works. Basically, you just have a business and you have a customer. That's all you do. And you as an affiliate that's in the middle are trying to take the customer over to the business. That's all you're trying to do. So let's say, for example, let's use Jimmy. I like to use Jimmy. I don't know why. He's my example. So Jimmy's looking up and he wants to buy a ring light. So I'm just looking at one. He wants to buy a ring light online. So he's going online. You as the affiliate find Jimmy, and as Jimmy, you want to bring him over to Amazon, okay, to buy the light. That's all you're doing. So what you're doing is you're recommending them to drive. You're driving the traffic from wherever he's at over to that company. If he buys that ring light, you get a commission. Simple as that. So there's two different types of ways that we can drive traffic over to that company so you can buy it. One is going to be paid traffic, and two is going to be free or organic traffic. So paid traffic, obviously it says in the words, you're going to be paying to get the traffic from one spot over to the other, and that's going to be Facebook ads. You're going to be making ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads. Pretty much is kind of buying ads so you can take them, find the customers, and then take them over. The second one is going to be organic or traffic ads, and this is actually what I recommend if you're first starting off, okay? Because for one, it's cheaper, and then two, it is a learning process. So free traffic includes anything from you putting out content on social media, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube that we're doing right now, right? So why I recommend organic or free traffic? Because when you start out, you're going to make mistakes. That's what it is. You're going to do. There's going to be a learning curve coming up. And the good thing about it is you can mess up until you get it right, and it's not going to cost you anything, right? That's just how it is. So once you get it, once you understand it, it's actually, you'll go a lot farther, because compared to like paid ads, once you stop paying for them, your traffic stops. That's it. Here in organic or free traffic, you build up followers, you build up an email list, you build up subscribers, right? And they're still going to keep on coming back even if you're not putting out content and stuff. So my #1 recommendation on that. So let's see, we do have high ticket and low ticket products when you're actually trying to sell, right? So high ticket products is going to be companies that are going to be paying you out 30, 40, 50, 60, 70% of what percentage of what that product costs, right? There's other places that pay pretty low. So let's say like Amazon does pay for it pretty low, on average 4% to 10%. So here, let me show you. Let us get in it here, and I'm going to show you an example. So let's get out of here. Let's go over to, let's go to Amazon. So I am an affiliate of Amazon as well. I do promote products on Amazon. So well, here, let's go to YouTube first. Let's take this example for what Jimmy does. I like to use Jimmy. Jimmy wants to find a ring light, right? So what do? So you want to go, oh, no space there. You want to buy, okay, let's just say, I haven't really looked into this, but let's just pick this one.
If you need something simple that can deliver.
Look, so right here down in the description, you kind of see this link right here, right? AMZM is Amazon. So if you click on this link, it's going to send you straight to that product. So that right there is telling me that she or he is an affiliate for Amazon. Hey, you know what? Jimmy's looking for that light. He likes that review. He clicked on that link, and if he buys it, she makes a commission here. So, like I was saying, let's go back to my Amazon and let me look up my ring light here. And let's say I want to promote this one, right? So since I am that, I could actually grab my special link. My computer's acting really slow today. Okay, probably not. There it is. Well, look at that, and there you go. There's my special link that looks almost the same as the other one. So just like that. So I can go and start promoting this light, and when people click on my link here and they go and they buy this product, it's going to give me a commission on that. And like I was saying before, so there's high ticket and low ticket. So Amazon is the world's biggest online business, but they don't really pay out as much. They don't really pay too well. So like they pay about 4 to 10% depending on the different products and stuff. And of course, I mean, it's good for you to start, and it's good for you to promote. But later on the line, you want to get into high ticket prices. So me personally, I would rather spend a lot my time on trying to get 1 or 2 customers where I can get a commission of $1,000 each. That make 2,000 compared to selling 100 or 200 these ring lights, still trying to make the same product towards the end. So that's my thing. And like I said, we'll talk about that later on. So let's see. So yeah, so Amazon. So as far as this works, so let's say Jimmy does go into Amazon here. He looks at this light. He doesn't want to buy, right? Amazon, what they have is what is called a sticky cookie. Once you actually click on that link, he's actually linked to that product for 24 hours, meaning he can leave, and if he comes back within 24 hours and buys anything from Amazon, that person that or let's say for example my link, let's say he clicked on my link, and if he buys anything within 24 hours, I get a commission from whatever he buys plus that ring light. So if that kind of makes sense. So that's kind of how we they track it on the back end. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, and that's pretty much what you do. And what you do is you put your link out to traffic. You put it out on social media, you put it on Pinterest, you put it on anywhere that there's people where they want to buy this ring light or your product or whatever. So that's pretty much how it actually works. But bottom line, basic on what you got to do. You just drive traffic to there. So my number one recommendation, since we're pretty much towards the end, my number one recommendation, what I was telling you guys is about, is if you click on my link that's on the bottom, and of course I will get a commission if you do go and join this program, is called Legendary Marketer. Okay, Legendary Marketer is where I got my training right here. Let me show you. Pretty much where I got my training on how to become an affiliate. So like I said, it's very simple on how they actually show you how they teach you how this program works. It doesn't have to be complicated. It's just you staying consistent. The first thing that you have to do is get your mindset right. As long as you have your mindset and you say, hey, you know what, I'm all in, this is what I'm going to do, and you will pretty much succeed. So it's very easy. You just have to stay consistent, put out content, listen to what they're doing, what they're telling you, and you actually will succeed. So like I said, my link's down on the bottom. I'll put it down here on the bottom. Simple. It's only $7 for this actual 15-day challenge. If you don't know what the 15-day challenge is, I'll put a link here on the side here so you guys could check out a review that I did. It's very cool. It's pretty awesome. You get so much info. You get so much stuff. Look at right here on the side. Claim your free bonus scripts and templates. They tell you what to say. They show you how to put an ad. So they show you so many different ways to actually start up. So other than that, affiliate marketing for me, I believe, is actually the easiest to start an online business. You don't have to deal with any customers, any shipping, any products, anything like that. You just send the traffic, find the traffic, send them over to the business, and if they buy, you get a commission. So That's pretty much it. So please, if you guys have any comments, if you guys have any questions, concerns, I have a Facebook group down at the bottom that you guys can join. I get more into detailed answer questions. I answer pretty much everybody that comes in. So please leave me some comments. And if this, like I said, if this information was helpful, please subscribe and smash that like button there. I'll be making some more info. So until then, guys, appreciate you guys. We'll see you guys on the next one.